Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to give you a couple of advices on how to get rid of other storage on your iPhone 14 series device. Alrighty, to start off we recommend that you launch settings, then enter the dedicated Safari category in here. Let me find it real quick. Then over here, simply tap on the clear history and website data button, clear the browsing data, and that will be it. The next advice that we have is to enter the messages category. In here, you gotta change the keep messages configuration decrease it to either 30 days or 1 year. If you would like to save up as much storage as possible and you do not have any need in storing messages any longer than 30 days, just tap on these options, and once you choose any of the values, should it be 30 days or a single year, it will automatically remove all the messages that are older than that. And third and final small advice, should I say, is to offload the apps that are not frequently used. So let me just enter the general category of settings. In here, go for the iPhone storage, and at the iPhone storage dedicated page, just choose to offload the unused applications, which will automatically remove the apps themselves which are not used oftenly, which will free up some extra space. But at the same time, while offloading the apps, it does not delete any app data or any data that is tied to you, so you will not lose anything important. So once you will need to get this application back and you will have enough storage space, just get it back, and all the user data, your user data to be exact, will be there, will not be removed, and will be there. So no risk here whatsoever. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.